Are you looking for the best portable washing machines? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best portable washing machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Auertech Portable Washing Machine. The Auertech Portable Washing Machine is a compact and efficient twin-tub washer designed for small living spaces such as dorms, apartments, and RVs. With a total capacity of 28 pounds, 18 pounds for washing and 10 pounds for spinning, it allows you to wash and spin dry clothes simultaneously, saving time and maximizing efficiency. The unit features a powerful 1300 RPM motor, ensuring thorough cleaning and effective water extraction. Its semi-automatic operation includes adjustable wash and spin timers, giving you control over each cycle. The built-in drain pump facilitates easy water drainage, and the compact design makes it easy to store and move. Ideal for those seeking a portable and reliable laundry solution, the Auertech Portable Washing Machine combines convenience with performance. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER Washing Machine. The BLACK+DECKER BPW30MW is a 3.0 cubic feet portable top-load washing machine designed for small living spaces such as apartments, dorms, and RVs. With a capacity to handle up to 26.5 pounds of laundry per load, it offers 6 wash cycles: normal, heavy, delicate, quick, bulky, and spin only. Users can select from 3 water levels: high, medium, low, and 3 temperature settings: hot, warm, cold, to customize their wash. The machine features a transparent lid and an LED display for easy monitoring. Safety features include auto unbalance detection, auto shutoff, and a child lock. Mobility is facilitated by 2 rollers, 2 side handles, and an adjustable leveling leg. It comes with a drain hose and quick connect sink adapter for easy setup. The unit is compatible with the BLACK+DECKER BCED37 compact dryer. Its dimensions are 23.7 inches by 24.8 inches by 39.4 inches, and it weighs approximately 99.2 pounds. Number 3. COMFEE Washing Machine. The COMFEE 1.6 cu.ft portable washing machine, model CLV16N2 AMG, is a compact, fully automatic washer designed for small living spaces such as apartments, RVs, and dorms. With a capacity of 1.6 cubic feet, it can handle up to 11 pounds of laundry per load. The washer features 6 wash programs: normal, quick, heavy, bulky, delicate, and spin only, allowing users to customize their laundry experience. It also offers 3 water temperature settings: hot, warm, cold, and 3 water levels: large, medium, small, to accommodate different fabric types and soil levels. The machine is equipped with a stainless steel inner tub for durability and a drain pump for efficient water drainage. Additional features include child lock, delay start, and reload functions for added convenience. Its compact dimensions, 20.7-inch WX 20.3 DX 36.6 H, and built-in wheels make it easy to move and store. The washer is available in a sleek magnetic gray color, complementing modern interiors. Number 4. Nictemaw Portable Washing Machine. The Nictemaw 17.8 pounds portable washing machine is a compact and efficient solution for laundry needs in small spaces such as apartments, dorms, and RVs. With a 2.4 cu.ft capacity, it can handle up to 17.8 pounds of laundry per load. The machine offers 10 wash programs and 8 water level selections, allowing users to customize their laundry experience. It features a built-in drain pump and an extended drain hose for easy water drainage. The LED display provides clear information on the washing time, and the child lock function ensures safety. Additionally, the machine includes a 24-hour delay start function, providing flexibility in laundry scheduling. Its compact design and portability make it an ideal choice for those with limited space. Number 5. Super Deal Mini Washing Machine. The Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine offers a practical and efficient solution for laundry needs in small living spaces such as apartments, dorms, RVs, and camping trips. With a 13 pounds capacity, it features a twin tub design that allows for simultaneous washing and spinning, saving time and effort. The built-in gravity drain facilitates easy water drainage, eliminating the need for manual intervention. Its compact size and lightweight construction make it portable and easy to store, while the user-friendly controls ensure convenient operation. This washing machine is an ideal choice for those seeking a reliable and space-saving laundry appliance.